Hi there, I hope everyone's doing well and had a happy, or about to have happy holidays and everything. Happy early Thanksgiving. We are making slow cooker Thai peanut meatballs. Not at all traditional Thanksgiving for us Americans, but sounded really good and an easy, nice slow cooker recipe, which is so helpful this time of year, and especially if you've got kids that you're now having to keep up with. Let's get to it. It's time for another episode of Cooking with Kaitlin. That's me. Enjoy. All right, we've got our slow cooker. It's 28-ounce bag of whatever meatball you like or prefer. 32 ounces of coconut milk coming in up there. Get that all out. Remember to shake the cans before you open them. And it's like 30 to 32 ounce depending on the cans you can find at your store. Mine had 16 ounces, so I just went with the extra 2. Didn't think it'd be too big a deal. All right, 1/4 cup peanut butter. Okay. Got 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3. Then we've got 2 tablespoons of red chili paste. And then we're doing 4 teaspoons of fish sauce. Oop, I forgot to, hang on. All right, now 4 teaspoons of the fish sauce. Now we're just going to give it a nice stir to get everything kind of incorporated. We'll stir it a couple times throughout, obviously, too. And you can do it on high for, they say, 2 to 4 hours, or low for 6 to 8. Just stir. I tend to do about once an hour just to be able to check and see. But your call with your slow cooker, you know yours best. So we will check back in at that time. All right. So I slow cooked them for the day. I'm going on hour 7 right now. They are steaming up, but so good. Smelling delicious. Just ready in time for dinner, just like you'd want for a crock pot meal. I've made some couscous for us to put ours on tonight. So I'm going to put them on there and then I'll show you. Hang tight. All right, there it is. Bon appetit. We'll see you later.